Hi, welcome to the Biamp booth. I'm Joe Andrulis, and we're excited to be celebrating our 50th anniversary serving the audiovisual professional community. And as always, we're excited to show some of our latest innovations here at the booth, and I'd like to introduce you to just a couple. So the first thing I want to point your attention to is just over here. It's a new microphone we've added to our award-winning Parlay microphone line. This microphone, the Biamp 360D, is a tile format microphone that has been built using technology Biamp acquired from the acquisition of Clear One. This exciting new form factor provides another great alternative for picking up great audio in small spaces, conference rooms, and even large auditoriums. And I think you're going to find it an exciting addition to the product portfolio. We've got some other exciting things I want to share with you, so come with me. All right, we've arrived at our next stop, and it's another great microphone innovation from Biamp. If you've ever experienced the troubles in a presentation space of handheld microphones that people don't hold in the right spot, lavalier microphones that fall off the ears, batteries that run out, you'll understand why presenter lift is such an exciting innovation. Imagine being able to walk on stage, join a group of people already on stage, and have your audio picked up clearly and reinforced to the rest of the space without having to take any action. No putzing around with microphones, no batteries, no AV crew to go and make sure it's a great experience. It all happens automatically. That's the magic of Presenter Lift. It is an addition, it's a software enhancement to our Parlay microphones. It's easily incorporated into any installation and delivers an experience you won't forget. We've got one more experience I want to show you, so follow me. We've arrived at our final stop. What I'm here to show you now is Biamp Workplace. Imagine that you've installed some of Biamp's great solutions and you're thinking, how do I manage them? How do I ensure they're operating fine? Especially if I've adopted Biamp across my organization, and that might include campuses that are around the world. How do I make this easy to go management? The answer is Biamp Workplace. Biamp Workplace is a full lifecycle management, monitoring, and design system that supports your entire Biamp installation from the point of conception, in operation, maintenance, and retirement. It provides resources for designing new systems, monitoring systems that are available, already deployed, make sure that you can reach out and touch devices no matter where they are in your organization around the world to make sure they're up and running at their optimal performance. Biamp Workplace makes adopting Biamp solutions simple, easy, and always ensured to be delivering a great experience. This is the end of my tour. I thank you for joining me. If you're at the show, we would love to have you visit us at Biamp. If you can't, you can always learn more at biamp.com.